For the first step, we're going to head over to search and then type in Microsoft Store. Then we're going to right click on it and then click on App Settings. Once we're on this, we're going to scroll down and then click on Repair. And then you want to see if it's working now. But if it's still not working, then click on Reset. And then click on Reset again. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and then type in Run. And then click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to type in WSReset.exe and click on Enter, which will reset the Microsoft Store. Then you want to see if it's working now. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and then type in Services. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service, then click on W on our keyboard, which will take us down until we find Windows Update. We're going to double click on that and then make sure that the startup type says automatic on it. And then if the service says stop, then you want to start it. But if the service was already running, then you want to stop it, then you want to start it again. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and then type in View Network Connections. Click on it. Once we're on it, you're going to have either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Whichever one you have, we're going to double click on it and then click on Properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then you want to make sure that Use the following DNS server is ticked, and then you want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. The next step, we're going to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on Yes. Once we're on it, I'm going to put these commands in the description below. So first, I'm going to start with the command SFC /scan now and click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now once the scan's been completed, you want to run these 3 other commands after that. Now for the last step, we're going to head over to search and then type in Windows Powershell. You want to run it as administrator and then click on Yes. Then you want to do the same thing. So you want to just copy and paste these 2 commands into here and then click on Enter. Now once everything in this video has been done, restart your computer, then the problem will be fixed.